Today we'll discuss here the electrostatics of the conductor and the electrostatics of insulator. The meaning of electrostatics of conductor means what? Means when any conductor is charged or any conductor is placed in the electric field, then what happens to it, right now? And electrostatics of we'll discuss first conductor conductor and electrostatics of insulator. Clear? Actually, the purpose of teaching you the electrostatics of insulator is for dielectric constant. We will study here dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. And when we will study dielectric constant, after that we will study the concept of capacitance. Capacitance. Is that clear? And conductor means the electrostatic and the conductor. The different topics we will discuss here right now. So, and electrostatics of conductor means what happens when the charge conductor is placed in the electric field. Is that clear? So, electrostatics of conductor. So, everybody knows here this. What happens in that? The conductor is made up of the conductor. Every material, each material is made up of. Every material is made up of molecules. Molecules made up of atoms. Atom made up of the charged particle, electrons and protons. Is that clear? So, what is the basic difference? In the chapter 1 we have seen all the conductors are having free electrons. Free electron in the sense means electrons when the potential difference is applied at the different end of the, suppose we are taking here a rod of a conductor, a conducting material is there. Is that clear? So conductor have free electrons. So these things you just have to know here, have free electrons. These are free electrons. So as a result, free electron is at this end A, we applied the high potential, at the A, B, we applied the low potential. So what happens here? Obviously, electron start drifting. Electron will start moving, right? The motion of the electron will begin here. Why this happens? Obviously, in the field, we just know here, in the field, positive charge move in the direction of the field, and negative charge move in the opposite direction of the field. So there is what saying here. The conductor and insulator, simply conductor are those which have the free electrons, okay, and these are actually the free electrons are the charge carrier, right? Now charge carrier means on the surface of conductor obviously electrons are there. That means throughout the conductor, this is when the potential difference is applied, then these charge carriers are start drifting, start moving from one place to another, right now. So the free electron from, we can say they together found a gas, clouds gas, we can speak this. You may see on the book, your textbook here, okay, while you are studying, the keep open your textbook also, right? So actually, if we also see the nucleus, what is the atomic structure? The atom is made up of positive charge, okay, and here the nucleus is also, and their electrons are there. Is that clear? Electron clouds is there. Is that clear? And here positive. This is positive nuclei and this is negative atom is there. Clear? For 7 together all, and it is 7 together all. This is a cloud of electrons here. Okay. So the electrons which are loosely bonded, loosely attached with the nucleus, they start drifting under the field. So this is called what? This is called the means we can speak here the conductor have the free electrons to move. So if what happens, the topic that we will discuss here, please have write you. Inside a conductor, what happens to the electric field? Means electrostatic field, right? The first topic, inside conductor, inside a conductor, inside a conductor, electrostatic field, electrostatic field, electrostatic field is 0. Electrostatic field is 0. What does this mean? Electrostatic field is 0 here. Simply, if you are taking a conductor, so there is a conductor here. Just a minute. Okay, I'm telling this. Suppose there is a conductor of any shape, is that clear? Which is the top upper surface of the conductor, right now. So obviously, So it's saying this conductor can be neutral here. Why? Because it has equal number of charges, positive or negative. So consider a conductor neutral or charged. There may also be external distributions of the field. In the static situation, when there is no current, you just must see, go on seeing in the screen here. When there is no current inside or right now inside or the surface of the conductor, the electric field is zero. Okay, everywhere inside the conductor. This fact can be taken as the defining the property of conductor. A conductor has free electrons as long as electric field is not zero. The free charge carrier would experience force and drift. In the static situation, the free charge have no distribution in themselves. The electric field is zero everywhere inside. Electric field is zero inside a conductor. A lot of things are. I am telling why this happens here. Suppose that there is a conductor we have taken right now. So on the surface, suppose a negative charge is being distributed here right now, or suppose I am placing here a positive charge. Clear? So inside a positive charge, I am also telling you that what is, suppose positive charge is placed at here. So all throughout that negative charge will distribute it in that manner. Is that clear now? It is this here. So inside a conductor at every point, inside a conductor at every point, what will be the electric field? Electric field is to be discussed here. So suppose that we want to find out here, is it clear? The electric field intensity is to there. So electric field intensity at the P point due to this positive in this direction. Is that clear? And electric, this is what here negatively charged present here also. So an electric field inside that is this also here. But actually what happens, I'm telling you this. Suppose an atom we are having here, clear? Inside a conductor, if you see a microscopical view, is that clear? Many atoms are together here, and it's made up of it's a one atom. This is one atom, second atom, third atom, and many atoms are there. Right? Atoms together are embedded in this manner inside conductor. So we are to find out here the electric field. What will be the electric field? Is that clear? And inside the surface, if the charge is given to the conductor, yeah. So what will happen? So if the charge is present inside or on the surface of the conductor, suppose that we have given charge to, there is a conductor. If the charge is given, so charge is spread throughout the surface. Is that clear or not? Let this is. We just can understand here. And there is an interior point inside the conductor. So electric field due to all the sides of positive conductor will be in a different direction. We can speak here. This electric field due to that here means a repulsive. Different direction it will have the of the electric field here. You just may understand here. We can speak here at a point the electric field, the direction of electric field is radial and all side are there, right? So if we'll find out the net electric field inside a conductor, so it just vector sum will be zero here. And why this happens, as you just know here, there may also be an external electrostatic field. Field inside is what is that here? In the static situation, when there is no current inside or outside, inside or on the surface, outside and on the surface of that conductor, the electric field is zero everywhere inside the conductor. The fact that can be taken in defining the property. What is the meaning of this statement here? It means inside the conductor at a point if the electric field will be zero, then what can, if any conductor is placed in electric field, so obviously the field will simply we can understand here. Suppose you are having a you just made a case of the conductor, means suppose you have made a dress of conductor right now, and you have just said putting yourself into the electrostatic field. So what will be the will the electric field be zero or non-zero inside you? Means you are just keeping yourself inside a conductor. Is that clear? So what will be the electric field? Just like when electricity means then the electric during the thundering and crackling, when the electric high potential electricity will just come to the earth here, right now. Generally it happens in the rainy season. Is that clear? So when the tree then when electricity falls at the tree, so under the people standing under the tree just gets very hazardous shock. Why this happens? This happens because the charge passing through the, obviously the charge passing through the root side or stem, and around it the electric field just being produced here. Means electricity passes through that, producing the high strength electric field. Is that clear? And the people just come in. So we can say, is it inside? It is a cavity system here. Means it is a cavity is being created here. No, it means just like this is a room where you are sitting right now, and all side from it's surrounded by a surface or the wall, we can say here. All four sides surrounded wall here, and so roof and ceiling or the floor also, right? If you are sitting in a chair right now at anywhere else in the room, and all the surface, we can say all the walls are charged here, so will you experience an electric shock here? Obviously no. Why? The reason is the electric field due to the all surface will be there. Is that clear? At a point on that, right? So net electric field, the electric field is the vector quantity. If you will find out the sum of that, so net electric field inside the conductor will be 0. Is that clear? So finally, you will remember here, inside a conductor, electrostatic field is 0. But if the electrostatic field is 0, so are the flux present here? So obviously later discuss we about the concept of the flux here, right? So finally, first is inside electric conductor the field is 0. Now the second, at the surface of charged conductor, electrostatic field must be normal to the surface at every point. Means if you are giving, suppose you are just having a conductor, I'm telling this, there, this conductor I'm talking about, right? There is any shape conductor. Please write the second. At the surface, at the surface, at the surface of a charged conductor, of a charged conductor, of a charged conductor, electrostatic electrostatic field, electrostatic field must be must be must be normal to the normal to the surface at every point. At every point. At the surface of, right now, suppose you are having a charged conductor. Just may see here. There is a, you just having a conductor here, right? Or here the electric field is clear. This is electric field. Field lines are going from here. Yes. That there this. Okay. The conductor is placed at the here. You may see this. So at the surface, we just talk here. At the surface of charged conductor. Charged conductor means you have given the charge to the conductor. Suppose charge is given to conductor, it is spread throughout the surface. Is that clear? Throughout the surface. Why this happens here? It just not poured inside this. Means inside the conductor it just not go. Why? Obviously, the reason is that when a conductor is charged here, you just may see here, what is the situation of electrons here? Suppose electrons is embedded here in this manner. Okay, just see there is a surface. If you see a microscopical view, clear? So how the atom is located here in this manner, we can speak here, clear? So what these are the surface actually is zigzag surface. So the charge is present actually on the surface. Why? When the positive charge comes here, right now. So we can just speak here this negativity. The negative will set here automatically, right now. So all the charge will positive set here. So we can say the charge given to a conductor is uniformly distributed over the surface. And the topic is saying here at the surface of a charge conductor means like that this is a pen here, right? If you will give the charge to a pen, so the charge will spread throughout the surface. It will not go inside the conductor, right? The reason is what? Because when as the charge is given, right, immediately the opposite charge actually comes from the inner surface. We can speak here, and even it's not a porous body, right now. So the charge distributed throughout the surface. So this makes actually the field inside the conductor 0. The first topic we have discussed. And second, what will be the direction of electric field on the surface, right? So you may see, if we'll see the this surface microscopical view, the surface in this manner is there, clear? And the charge present is here. Obviously, we'll take here the charge is taken in this manner. So charge is embedded in this here. Right? Suppose that you will see this is okay. So the the curve tangential part of this sphere will, what is the direction of that here? Just you may see the direction of that here. Is that clear? You will see this is that clear? So what we can understand here is, if the surface is just making the conductor have the small integral of the surface, will treat it as a straight line, right now. So we can speak here, if we'll draw the perpendicular direction, the field is in this direction, okay. You may see the charge at here what, like that. The normal of this surface is in this direction. Normal of this surface is this direction, and the normal of that in this direction. Is that clear now? So the conductor become positively charged. So the positive charge is present here, and the surface is that here. So obviously the flux will be treated as a coming out of the surface right now, and the always field is taken as a in the direction of the flux right now. So flux is always on. What is the we can say electric field? When the field is in means at a point the electric field, at a point the electric field, the flux is contributing right now, means flux is actually responsible for the electric field intensity strength here, and the surface will have its own normal, and all the flux which is making direction in the direction of normal will contribute to the flux here, will contribute to the field here. Is that clear? So we can speak here the components of, suppose that I am taking here the field direction is this here, and the direction of the normal is this here. So we can speak here this divide in the two components. It's a parallel component, it's a perpendicular component. Is that clear? So which will be called in the it's a parallel or it's a perpendicular. So which component of the field will make contribution in the direction of the field? Obviously this component. So same way, however, the concept is not here useful, but listen, the surface, when you have given the charge and charge has been distributed over the surface, so which components will actually giving that? So one of that, yeah, either normal, normal means it's making certain angle with the normal. So flux is coming out of the normal. Flux does not come left or right of the surface. Is that clear? So we can speak here where the direction of the flux means field line, the same direction of the normal, same direction of the surface normal. So that we can speak here at the surface of charge conductor, electrostatic field must be normal to the surface at every point. So you just may write down here this, please write. When the conductor is charged, when a 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 conductor is charged, the given charge distributed throughout the surface, the given charge distributed throughout the surface, throughout the surface, throughout the surface, throughout the surface, okay, as the charge and surface integral, the surface integral, surface integral behaves as behaves as behaves as behaves as surfacial means behaves as surfacial charge surface is everything is the, it is the, we can speak here the shape of the charge here surfacial, okay, charge surface means surfacial charge we can speak here. In the sense that is you can write here the charge have the shape here area, the charge here, charge have the shape of area, the shape of area, shape of area, shape of area right now, and right the at a point on the surface, at a point on the surface, at point on the surface, at point on the surface, the electric field direction, the flux direction we can say, the flux direction, in the field line direction, flux direction First direction, field line direction. Will be perpendicular to the surface. Right? Have you done this? That is the direction of electric field. Next, at a point inside the at a point inside the conductor, at a point inside the conductor, at a point inside conductor. Okay, there is no excess of charge. There is no excess of charge. There is no excess of charge. Third, there is no excess of charge. Why there is no excess of charge? Suppose there is a charge body here. Just go on writing. There